In this song, we're going to practice the sounds that letters make. Are you ready? Let's go.
A, apple, apple.
B, ball, ball.
C, cat, cat.
D, dog, dog.
Apple,
Ball,
cat.
dog.
E, elephant, elephant.
F, frog, frog.
G, guitar, guitar.
H, hat, hat.
Elephant,
Frog,
guitar.
hat.
I, igloo, igloo.
J, jump, jump.
K, kangaroo, kangaroo.
L, lion, lion.
Igloo,
Jump,
kangaroo.
lion.
M, monkey, monkey.
N, nurse, nurse.
O, octopus, octopus.
P, pumpkin, pumpkin.
Monkey,
Nurse.
octopus.
Pumpkin.
Q, queen, queen.
R, rocket, rocket.
S, snake, snake.
T, train, train.
Queen,
Rocket.
snake.
Train.
U, umbrella, umbrella.
V, violin, violin.
W, watch, watch.
X, box, box.
Umbrella,
Violin,
watch.
box.
Y, yellow, yellow.
Z, zebra, zebra.
Yellow.
Zebra. And that is the end of the song.